Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix some bugs like Instagram new fonts not showing or working on your Instagram app of the Android devices. So uh, you can now open Play Store first in order to update your Instagram app. So you can open Instagram and please update. If there is no update button, it means your Instagram is already or automatically updated by your system software. And here, and about this app, the latest version of the Instagram is 357.0.0.59 and 0.89, updated on November 25 November 2024. So here, after the update, please open it. Now you can create your story. And here, if you tap fonts at the top of your screen, there is a new font that you can use. There are modern, classic, signature, editor, poster, bubble, deco, squeeze, a typewriter, strong, meme, elegant, directional, and literature. In the future, maybe there are some updates. Maybe the Instagram will add more font that you can try. So if after you update the new font still not showing or working, you can try to close the Instagram. Now you can search your Instagram app icon. You can tap application info and tap on storage usage. Here you can clear cache and you can consider to clear the data, but you need to re-log in into your Instagram account. So I repeat again, the simple step is just open the Play Store, search for Instagram, and tap open and update your Instagram app. And don't forget to go to the application info by hold your Instagram app icon and try to clear some case, and you can consider to clear the Instagram data. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.